Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter, chapter 3, exponent and radicals. Now first we see some example. We know that 4 square is equal to 16. Now value of 4 is equal to under root 16. Now under root 16, this will be written as 16 की power 1 by 2. Means 4 square is equal to 16, then 4 will be equal to 16 की power 1 by 2. Just the same, suppose that a to the power 4 is equal to m, then a is equal to m to the power 1 by 4. Now suppose a to the power m by n, this is written as a to the power m power 1 by n. Now next, suppose a की power m is equal to b, then a is equal to b की power 1 by m. Now a is written as b index m, a root b index m b, this value. Now next, let a number a to the power m by n, where a is rational number, m is any integer, and n is positive natural number. Then a to the power m by n is written as a to the power m is equal to 1 by n. Now this value is written as n a to the power m, where a to the power m is called radicand. And total this sign is called radical, and is called radical, and this is called index, where n is index, n is the called index, and we take index is always positive, and this will be positive. We have take always index will be positive, and this is the sign of radical. This sign is called sign of radical. Now calculate the value of 125 की power 2 by 3. So first change in the radical form this value 125 की power 2 and whole power 1 by 3. Now this value is written as Here index sign become 3 and 125 square. Now this value become 3 125 multiplied 125. Now make the prime factorization of 125, 5 into 5 into 5, and our next 5 into 5 into 5. Now this value become, here this index is 3. Now make the group of 3-digit number, this and this. Now this value become 5 into 5. This value is equal to 25. Now let's suppose that a number is a to the power minus m by n. So this number is written as 1 by a to the power m by n. Now this will be written as a to the power m to the power 1 by n. Now this value is written as 1 by n a to the power m. Now next calculate the value of 512 to the power minus 2 by 9. This value written as 1 by 512 to the power 2 by 9. Now this value is changed as 1 by 512 square and power 1 by 9. Now this value is changed as, here index become 9 and this value become 512 square. Now this value become 1 by index 9 512 multiplied 512. Now write the prime factorization of 512. This value become 2 into 2 9 times 2, and now again this value again 9 times. Now make the group of 9 digit. Here index is 9, so 9 and this 1 digit, and this value become 1 by 2 into 2. This value become 1 by 4. Now law of rational number, law of exponent. Suppose that let x be any rational number and a and b are rational exponent, then x to the power a multiplied x to the power b, x to the power b. This value become x to the power a plus b. First. Now second, x to the power a divided by x to the power b. This value become x to the power a minus b. Third, just the same, x to the power a to the power b. This value become x to the power ab. Now next, x by y to the power a. This value equal to x power a by y to power a. And we know that x to the power 0, this value is equal to 1.